Now start from bleaching powder. The formula of the bleaching powder is CaOCl2 and its structural formula is CaOCl this type. According to this structure, it has been clear that in the bleaching powder, one Cl atom bonded to the oxygen atom, whereas other Cl atom which bonded to the calcium atom is directly. Here is the charge on the calcium is +2, oxygen is -2, this Cl is -1 and this also -1. Now we will discuss the manufacturing of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder can be prepared by passing chlorine gas over slack line at 313 K temperature. Slack line, that is calcium hydroxide, and react with Cl2 at temperature 313 K, and it gives calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder plus H2O. Here is the H2O formed in the gaseous form and bleaching powder obtained in the solid form. On a large scale, bleaching powder is prepared in Hagen-Clever plant. Large scale production of bleaching powder can be done by the help of Hagen-Clever plant. It consists of cylinders of cast iron horizontally placed one above the other. Each of the cylinders is provided with a screw that keeps revolving slowly. Dry slag lime is poured through a hopper at the top and it spuges through all the cylinders one by one. A current of chlorine gas is led into the plant at the bottom. Slag lime comes in contact with the current of chlorine gas traveling in the opposite direction. Bleaching powder is formed and falls into the cakes below. And the reaction is calcium hydroxide, slag lime react with Cl2. It gives CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride plus H2O gas. Discuss the properties of bleaching powder. First property is a white amorphous powder that smells strongly of chlorine. The second one property is when exposed to air, it gives the smell of chlorine gas. Since in presence of air, bleaching powder react with CO2 which is present in the atmosphere and forms calcium carbonate plus Cl2 gas. A smell comes out due to this Cl2 gas. And third property is reaction with water. When bleaching powder treated with water, it decomposes into calcium chloride and calcium hypochlorite according to the following reaction. Bleaching powder CaOCl2 react with H2O and in presence of H2O it decomposes into calcium chloride plus calcium hypochlorite CaOCl whole twice. Its structural formula is CaOCl OCl. It is called calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hypochlorite. Now, third most important property is reaction with acids. When bleaching powder react with ordinary dilute acids, chlorine gas is liberated. For example, calcium chloride, that is bleaching powder, react with HCl, aqueous, that is dilute form of HCl. It gives calcium chloride plus H2O plus Cl2 gas. Similarly, when it is react with sulfuric acid plus H2SO4, it gives calcium sulfate in the solid form CaSO4 plus H2O plus Cl2 gas. The amount of chlorine produced is known as available chlorine. Fifth important property is when bleaching powder react with a very small amount of dilute acid, it gives off oxygen. According to the following reaction, bleaching powder react with H2SO4. Here is the amount of dilute H2SO4 is very limited. Then it gives calcium chloride plus calcium sulfate CaSO4 plus hypochlorous acid, that is HOCl, in the aqueous form. This hypochlorous acid, that is HOCl, aqueous, again decompose and gives HCl plus oxygen. This oxygen known as nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen combined with other oxygen, it gives O2 gas. Due to the evolution of this nascent oxygen, it behaves as a bleaching agent. So here is the one point is clear that bleaching action of the bleaching powder is due to the nascent oxygen. Since its bleaching action is due to the oxidation process, that's why its bleaching action is permanent. Next, sixth important property is when bleaching powder react with acidified solution of potassium iodide, then it converts Ki into I2. For example, when CaOCl2 react with Ki aqueous in acidic medium, that is HCl aqueous, then after reaction it gives calcium chloride plus KCl plus I2. In this reaction, Ki oxidized into I2 since in the Ki OS of the oxygen is -1 and in the I2 OS of the oxygen becomes 0. If the OS of the element is increased, then it will be oxidized. That's why in this reaction Ki oxidized into iodine.